Top 5 Best Cellos. Number 5. Deluca Mc100. This purchase does not just include a finely made cello, but it comes with everything you or your student will need to get started: a portable cello stand, protective padded cello gig bag, a clip-on chromatic tuner, a mid-strength rosin cake for bass stickiness with increased vibrato, an extra set of strings, and a quality horsehair cello bomb. The cello itself offers a full maple design with a reinforced top and bridge, a red maple back and sides and neck. Pairing beautifully with this maple coloration, fully sanded and finished in a glowing redwood varnish, the pegs, fingerboard, and tailpiece are crafted from finely polished rosewood. For an entire kit with an impressive design tailor-made for the ambitious learning musician, this is a very affordable purchase with all the odds and ends to keep you playing non-stop into the foreseeable future. Why is it special? Full maple with reinforced top. Protective padded cello gig bag. Adjustable end pin. What are the flaws? Not fit for professionals. Not auxiliary capable. Coming in number 4. Cecilio CCO-3BK. An electric cello is similar to a silent cello, though they do have their differences which we discuss in the buying guide. This finely made electric cello combines the earlier designs of full-wood cellos with the artistic flourishes and electronic additions of modern art and the sound demands of the 21st century. Its hand-carved structure is finely captured maplewood with a flamed maple neck. It features professional ebony pegs, an ebony fingerboard, and an ebony tailpiece with mother-of-pearl inlay and 4 detachable tuners. To add to the flair of its dramatic modern design, it's not only auxiliary capable with added headphone usability, but it comes in 3 different colors: white, black, and mahogany. All wood components are complete with a stylish metallic varnish matching their electric capabilities and modern charm. Additionally, this purchase comes with a lightweight soft case, 1/8 output jack for nearly all audio outputs or inputs, included headphones, and included 9 volts alkaline battery, dark rosin, and a Brazilian wood bomb with Mongolian horsehair. It's an electric cello most ideal for intermediate student and professionals with previous experience on the traditional concert cello. What makes it special? Lightweight. Modern flowing design with 3 unique color options. Comes with lightweight soft case. 1/8-inch output jack. 1-year warranty against manufacturer's defects. What cons did we find? May not meet certain competition criteria. Easier to master after having learning the acoustic cello. Coming in number 3. Cecilio CCO-300. This design from Cecilio features a hand-carved spruce top with maple integrated into the back, sides, and neck. It's a full-sized 4x4 cello, which means its upper rim should just rest against your chest in a 90-degree seated position. The bridge is exceptionally carved and sanded and, like the rest of the cello, features a tasteful high-luster varnish. Unlike the more common ebony-style pegs and tailpiece, this unique instrument features boxwood, which gives the instrument more individuality and class. Upon delivery, the sound post needs little to no adjustments for quality tone and vibrato. However, the bridge itself does require manual stringing. This is to avoid damage to the cello body during shipping. The strings themselves come in 2 sets, 1 extra set for replacements, and produce a purity of sound which isn't dulled down by the common stiffness seen in prelude strings. Other than extra strings, this purchase also includes a black cello stand, 2 gray-black cases, and a genuine Brazil wood bow strung with unbleached Mongolian horsehair. Due to its lack of ebony components, it's a very affordable cello on the current instrument market, and any beginner or student would be lucky to own it. What are our favorite features? 1-year warranty against defects. Comes with hard and soft cases. Low cost. Unique boxwood pegs. What could be better? Does not feature common ebony facets. No auxiliary capabilities. Coming in number 2. Cecilio CCO-100. Our budget pick for this list. This cello is suitable for student to mid-level musicians and matches its fine quality materials and design with an affordable price for any beginning size or preference. Available in the 4 standard sizes, the last being the full standing 4x4 competition-worthy cello. The full instrument weighs 23 pounds but comes with a phenomenal cello stand in the choice between 2 unique carrying cases. It features a spruce top designed to be crack-proof and a beautiful maple neck, back, and sides with a fine high-luster varnished finish. This is a unique instrument with maple pegs and maple fingerboard, rather than ebony, making it more cost-efficient while still very stylish. The tailpiece is a mixed alloy design with 4 smooth fine tuners. As well, all parts offer a great 1-year warranty against manufacturer defects, a warranty which easily matches the initial purchase and great learning experience which will follow. This purchase also comes with an extra set of strings, medium strength rosin, a free black cello stand, the choice of a soft or hard shell case, and a Brazilian wood bowl with unbleached genuine Mongolian horsehair. What are its best features? Choice of soft or hard carry case. 1-year warranty against defects. Classic looking maple pegs and fingerboard. What could be improved? Heavy. Does not come with a tuner. Coming in number 1. Cecilio CCO-500. A fine instrument from Cecilio, this cello holds together very well. It's handcrafted with a dense spruce top and finely carved and sanded with a maple wood back, sides, and neck. The look of this cello features darker burnished colors through a high luster varnished finish which pairs nicely with its professional ebony fingerboard, pegs, and tailpiece. The tailpiece itself not only features the expert ebony look but is also inlaid with mother-of-pearl and unique nickel-plated fine tuners. These added elements strengthen the tailpiece, thereby better anchoring the tension of the strings, and they also allow for the finest manual tuning for sound better and purer than almost any other cello. Like the professional design of a Stradivarius, if buffed, tuned, and otherwise taken care of, this cellos will not only stand the test of time, but its sound will likewise improve throughout the years. It comes in all sizes for all ages and experience levels, provided with the lightweight form-fitting hard case, 2 bow holders, an extra soft carrying case, extra set of strings, black cello stand, and a Brazil wood bow with unbleached genuine Mongolian horsehair. What makes it special? 1-year warranty against defects. Nickel-plated fine tuners. Includes extra strings. What cons did we find? Included case will hardly protect the instrument. No tuner included.